Here comes another one. He sees me, he gave me that whistle. Really brilliant, really awesome. This bridge used to be just a level railway crossing. So they did a whole brand new infrastructure here. And I'll be going up a little further to have a look at the line at Deux Montagnes. Again, I forget the name of this station. I'll have to look it up and put it in the description. But I can remember a couple of years ago being here and getting the Deux Montagnes trains on the old electrified line, pausing at the station back in 2020.